Sustainable tourism is more than just preserving our beautiful destinations. It's about ensuring that the next generations can experience the same beauty as we enjoy today. Here in the Philippines, our islands, forests, and oceans are gifts that reflects our nation's natural wealth and cultural pride. From the white sands of Boracay to rolling hills of Batanes, we are blessed with treasures worth protecting. However, the challenges lies in how we care for these places. Issues such as over-tourism, improper waste management, and lack of environmental awareness threatens the sustainability of our destinations. When tourism grows faster than our ability to manage it, nature suffers, and so do the communities that depend on it. That is why sustainable tourism practices like promoting eco-friendly accommodations, supporting local businesses, and enforcing environmental laws are very essential. By choosing responsible travel, we help protect biodiversity, empower local communities, and preserve our cultural heritage. In the end, sustainability is not just a policy, it's a promise. A promise that we, as Filipinos, will continue to cherish and protect our land, so that the beauty of the Philippines will never fade, but instead shine brighter for generations to come.